Have you ever wanted some amazing DIY hacks that are guaranteed to improve your life? Well, don't worry because we are here to help you. Make sure to watch till the very end to find out all of these amazing hacks. Number 12, no more dropping your phone on your face. Have you ever been laying down, scrolling through your phone, and suddenly your phone slams right into your face from dropping it? Well, don't worry. Grab a hot glue gun and glue the back of your phone. Grab a button and settle it into the hot glue and let it dry. Now it should help prevent from dropping, and if you don't have any of these materials, you could also get a pop socket. Number 11, repair a hole in the wall. If you've ever had a huge hole in your wall, here's how to fix it. Cut around the hole with something sharp. Sounds like a bad idea, but trust us. Apply some drywall compound to the hole in the wall and make it all smooth. Put a drywall repair patch on the hole and apply paint to it, and you should be good to go. Number 10, do not hide your key under a carpet outside. The oldest trick in the book when you're locked out is to look under the doormat and have a spare key there, but this is an obvious spot. Grab a key, a container, and put the key inside. Apply hot glue to the lid and grab a stone or a rock and put it on the glue. Let it dry, and to hide it, dig a hole for the key and it looks like just a plain rock. Very cool hack! Number 9, use an egg tray as a gadget holder. If you have an iPad or tablet and you want to watch a video but you have nowhere to set it, you're in luck. Get an empty egg tray and lean your tablet onto it. This could be used to hold other things as well. Number 8, how to not make a mess when eating. To avoid messes while eating, all you need to do is put plastic on your plate or bowl. Now just eat, and whenever you're finished with your food, lift up the plastic and throw it away. It'll be useful for people who don't like doing dishes. Number 7, stop overheating on your laptop. If you've ever had a problem with the bottom of your laptop overheating a ton, all you need to do is put it on an empty egg tray. We know that we used this hack before, but all you need to do is use it for this instead of holding it. Number 6, trouble getting toothpaste. If you've ever had a really hard time getting toothpaste out of the tube, all you have to do is grab an ice cream stick and split it in half. Why? You'll see in just a second. Stack them on one another and there should be a bit of space in between. Grab a string and tie onto the two ends of the stick. And now do the same on the other side. Now, whenever no toothpaste comes out, just put this on and it will get all of the rest. Number 5, see what's inside soda. If you've ever wanted to see what's inside, grab a soda liter and pour some milk onto it. Shake it a bit when sitting it down and it should go transparent to see if there's anything bad inside. Number 4, stop the dripping tap sound. Do you hate dripping noises from the faucet? Well, we're here to show you how to stop it. All you need to do is get a string and tie it around the neck of the faucet. This keeps the water from coming out and dripping. Now you should be able to sleep very well, and if it continues, apply it with more strength. Number 3, food holder. All you need to do to hold your food is a hoodie and the food. Now get your hoodie and wear it backwards and place your food into the hood part, and now you have a nice holder. Number 2, cut the top of a strawberry right. If you've ever had a hard time cutting a strawberry, just get a straw and stab it into the middle of it and the stem should come right off and it will waste no parts of the strawberry. Number 1, hiding something valuable in plain sight to avoid getting stolen. For this one, it's amazing. Get something like an empty mayonnaise jar and paint the whole inside of it white. People will think it's a typical jar and get your valuables and put it inside. No one will think to look inside of it. What do you guys think of today's hacks? Let us know. But that's all we have for you guys today. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed it, hit the like and subscribe button and watch the 2 videos that are on your screen. Bye now!